Jewish people are about to mark the mourning day of Tisha B'Av with one of the most recognised sites in the Holy Land being the Western Wall in Jerusalem. But in the last few weeks, it seems that there's a new hazard there which may threaten the event. The wooden Hama'aravi bridge leading from the Western Wall to Temple Mount is on the verge of collapsing, this according to experts. Now, joining us now is Mina Fenton, the former city councillor of the Jerusalem municipality and member of Women for the Holiness of the Kotel organisation. Mina, thank you for coming on. Firstly, explain to us about this problem.
The problem is, first of all, a danger of collapsing of that wooden Hama'aravi bridge above the women gallery at the Kotel. It started in 2004 when the slope, which was along the women gallery, above which was the bridge before, collapsed after a storm of snow during the winter. Immediately, it was decided to build the bridge, yet the bridge was just not a permanent bridge. It was just for the time being, quickly to build the bridge, which actually was supposed to serve the police. They should be able to walk into the Temple Mount. Obviously, everything was done hastily, and they did not take care of all the things which were supposed to defend the wood, and they did not even get the permission, all the right permission from the municipality. So it was considered very dangerous immediately.
We all heard about this horrific Mount Meron disaster. Why is it that you think authorities aren't really taking this threat seriously?
This is a matter which has to be investigated by the state controller. And I want to specify and to stress that the people should know that by 2011, a new plan for a permanent bridge was already finished. And they were supposed to start building just to destroy the one that is now and to build a new one. Yet nothing happened. And the question is, why? I mean, here is a danger for people's life. The bridge serves now all the people that go up to the Temple Mount, the tourists and the Jewish people, which the numbers are increasing, really fantastic, going up to the Temple Mount, which makes it even more danger. On May this year, a professional engineer, Ofer Cohen, wrote a letter and it specified that he gave 4 months that this bridge has to be destroyed because this is a big danger. We brought out a plea to the High Court the beginning of June, and those who were supposed to give the answer are the highest authorities in Israel. The office of the Prime Minister, the Minister of Religious Affairs, Mandelblit, and 7 others. It's not the first time that we send letters about this matter. For 3 years, we have been corresponding, getting no answers when we know that there is a danger for life. I want to explain. On Rosh Chodesh Tammuz, about a month ago, I called the police. They are responsible over there. And I asked them to put under the bridge, to put their barriers that women should not stand under the bridge within a certain radius around it to be safe. I don't want to wait for the moment that we shall be forced to have an investigation committee, and then everybody will say, I told you, everything was written on the wall. We have the responsible to defend people's life. Now, I am calling the State Controller immediately to go into this matter and to cut the whole thing in order that the bridge should be destroyed and a new one should be built. The plea that we sent to the High Court was sent at the beginning of June. The date that they were supposed to give an answer was the 20th of June, and they asked to prolong it to the 22nd of July, which means that on the 22nd of July, we should get all the answers from all those who are responsible for the decision.
Yeah.
Now, the question which you want to know is why everything is stuck. Yes, there is a political problem. And the political problem is with the Jordanians and the Palestinians. But I want to tell everybody in Israel and in the whole world that this is a political terror.
Yeah, well, Minna, it certainly sounds very, very concerning, and let's hope some action is taken very soon. Thank you so much for your time today. We really appreciate it.